Hey everybody, this is Addie Van Salisbury on the Aspen Discovery team with Bywater Solutions. And today I'd like to talk about the web builder module and how to enable that and make sure the things you're creating there are findable. So we are going to hop into the Aspen administration menu and go into modules under system administration. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, or you can filter here by just typing in web, you will find the web builder. So you will want to turn this on by editing it, clicking enable, save your changes. We also recommend, if you're going to be creating web pages within Aspen, to turn on the web indexer as well. This ensures those web pages are being properly indexed and so they're findable. So you want to edit that as well, turn this on, save your changes, and return. Once you've done that, you will want to go into primary configuration, into library systems, and edit your library system. If you scroll to the bottom, there's going to be a section titled Web Builder Results. You'll want to make sure that's clicked on, allow searching locally created web content. Once you've done that, scroll to the bottom, save your changes, and return. At this point, you should see a web builder module. If you aren't, you'll want to make sure your permissions are correct. So you'll go into system administration. You can check what your permissions or other users' permissions are on a card by card basis by going into administration users. If you want to double check what those roles can do, you can go into permissions. OPAC admin is kind of like the big permission where you get most every permission, with the exception of adding in users. And if you scroll down, the sections are alphabetized to the web builder. You'll just want to make sure that these are properly selected. The difference in between the all of something and the library is if you have all, you will be able to edit, add, adjust any of these different sections of the web builder for every library system in your Aspen Discovery layer. If it's just a library, you'll only be able to edit those pages, resources, forms for your particular home branch. If I scroll back up, we can just jump into the web builder module to give you an idea of what we can do within this module. So we can create basic web pages. This is going to be the easiest way to create a web page right within Aspen Discovery. We have our custom pages. So this is going to be a little bit more complex. You can organize the page however you'd like. We can create custom forms right within Aspen. So forms that your patrons can fill out and provide you information. We can create web resources. So like Mango languages, any databases that you have, lynda.com, just another way to spotlight those resources and have them findable on web pages and in your searches. We can create staff member entries. So you can make a staff directory, and then the images and PDFs will be generated by embedding images or PDFs in these pages. Audiences and categories are going to be customizable, so you can apply audiences and categories to your resources and to your pages. Once you've created these custom pages or forms or resources or your staff members, you can embed any of this information in menus. So up here, down here, we have our staff directory that we created. So it's just a great way to spotlight information for your patrons, make everything more findable and accessible right within Aspen Discovery. So we're going to go over each of these sections in individual tutorials. So check those out if you want some more step-by-step on how to create any of these aspects of the web builder. If you all have any questions, let us know.